Hello and welcome. Now most of you know that ESP board has built-in touch sensor. So we will take the reading from 3 touch sensors from our ESP board, and to do that we have touch sensor on pins 2, 4 and 15. So go to the loop, and here you can simply write in your request, and instead of sensor value 1 you can replace it with touch read, which is basically a function that will take the pin number for the touch sensor. So this is our first touch sensor, and for value 2 we will write touch read. The second sensor is at general purpose input output pin number 4, and the third sensor, which is touch read number 15. Now let's upload the code again. We will make sure that our web page will display the reading from these 3 touch sensors. You can replace this with any other sensor, so there is no limit here. You can add more sensors, you can add more elements to the table, it's up to you. Now there's error opening COM4. Okay, let's reattach the board again. Click upload again and wait few seconds until the code is compiled and uploaded to our ESP board, and let's get our page ready. As you can see, this is our page, the request page, and it did take a lot of values, as you can see here. Now instead of value 1, value 2 and value 3, we will get the sensor values, so it will be more useful to get sensors reading here. Now done uploading, let's refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, now we have sensors reading. As you can see, this is the first touch sensor, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Every 30 seconds we will get new sensor readings. I will refresh the page. As you can see, now we have new readings. You can add other sensors. You can change this to be temperature sensor, humidity sensor, or any other type of sensors. Sky is the limit here. Again, all of the codes and everything will be attached to the course material. If you have any question regarding anything, I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.